Firefighter 1 will exit the apparatus and grab the appropriate tools. At the same time, Firefighter 2 will grab the appropriate ladder for the rescue. V.E.I.S, or Vent, Enter, Isolate, Search, is a rescue technique we use when there is a known or suspected victim. Firefighter 2 will set the ladder. Once the ladder is set, Firefighter 1 will ascend the ladder. After the firefighter has firmly planted themselves on the ladder, the firefighter will knock out the window, venting the room. Next, the firefighter will sound the floor and make entry. Once entry is made, firefighters will work their way to close the door, isolating that room from the superheated smoke and flames, following the flow path that was created from venting that room. At the same time, Firefighter 2 will set the ladder hooks and assist Firefighter 1 with the search. Additionally, another firefighter can ascend the ladder if manning permits, using a thermal imaging camera to assist with the search from the window. Once the victim is found, the firefighters can work together to move the victim to the window where entry was made. The banging you hear in the background is a coordinated fire attack attempting to gain entry into the structure. Firefighter 1 or Firefighter 2 can exit the window and plant themselves firmly on the ladder to receive the victim.
Okay, so we can get him to your side. Here we go. Yeah. Get him there. He's even, right? Yeah. Are you good?
When the firefighter and victim are on the ground, the remaining firefighter can exit the structure.